Hello everybody, this is teacher Malay from Digital Tech and Education. Today we'll be focusing on how to make QR code, which is one of the important things and everybody must know how to use it and how to generate. So you might be a business owner, you might be educator or teacher or student, whoever. So it's important to know how to disseminate or how to get information from different sources. So QR code is one of the easiest ways to get information or to disseminate information from one person to different people. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make QR code. Maybe there might be many different ways to make QR code. The ones that I'm going to show you is maybe the fastest or the simplest way. Let's get started. So now I'm going to show you how to make QR code for your document. Actually, there are different ways of making QR code. The one that I'm going to show is maybe one of the fastest or the easiest way to make QR code for your document. Let's get started. The first thing that you're supposed to do is that you need to go to Google site and type QR code generator. Click it. You can see different links here. Maybe you can choose the first one as long as it's free. It says free QR code generator. Let's click it. So here you can choose different contents. It might be URL or link or PDF, image, Google Docs, Google Drive, any type of document you want to make QR code for. So for now, let me choose PDF as I want to make QR code for my PDF file. Let me click PDF. And then here I need to browse my document. So I need to upload from the list of my files. So let's say I want to make a PDF QR code for this PDF file. And then click create QR code. Let's wait for it. And here there are different styles you can choose. Okay, depending on your interest, you can choose the style that you are interested in. Okay, and then even you can add logos here if you want to add logo. For example, if you are making a QR code for your business purpose, and if you want to send it to your customer, if you're making a promotion for your business, so it's better to include logo for your QR code. Depending on the type of business that you are making. And that's all. So just you need to go to download and click download here. Cool. Thank you very much.